Sunday afternoon. You won't get too many of these. Today I am doing a bit of a tool review. Mac Tools 3/8 spot weld cutter. Arbor 3/8 double end spot weld cutter. For those of you who do body work, a lot of body work, this is the boon diggity. Let me just show you. Oh. Look at that baby. Comes with a few things. Just get myself set up here. It comes with this, which once you find your spot welds, what you do is you line that up, take a center punch, and you center punch right around where your spot weld is, and that'll line you up. And that's it. You just let her chew. Just let her chew. I did a bunch of them on this one already. About, I don't know, 3 weeks ago now. But I'll show you. I'll show you how this works. I mean, well, I kind of like it. I never did do any center punching here. I just went by eye. And you basically get the idea. You will have to keep it from flopping around, of course, which probably helps a lot if you have a center punch. But yeah, this sucker chews. So if you got a body man, you want to get him something for Christmas, there you go, right there. You know what? Maybe I'll find another one. Maybe I did center punch one of these. Gotta look. Let's see if I can find one. So I know I did center punch a couple of them. I'm not sure where they are. But anyways, see if we can get this one going. That'd be best if I set you up somehow. Like I said, this works a lot better if you center punched. It also helps keep straight. And that's pretty much all there is to it. She makes fast work of this stuff, I'll tell you that. There you go. Ho 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 ho.